What's up everyone? My name is Melissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited. We are going to be redoing my room. I got a new floor, I got a new dresser, and a new bed, and I'm so excited. So I decided I'm going to record. I don't know when I'll get this video out, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm so excited. And Daisy's sitting. She's so cute. So enjoy the video. These fools are going crazy. I moved my jewelry box and the fireplace into that room. I moved out the dresser and the bookshelf and swept and vacuumed, and I moved my bed, but I'm gonna need to do that like 10 more times. Good morning. It is the next day. We're going to be currently putting the floor down. So I am going to be taking everything out of this dresser and putting it in this box. And then we're going to carry the dresser outside today. Many hours later, I am finally done with the floor. So we are not going to put the bed together tonight because we are both so exhausted and have work tomorrow. So I just quickly made my bed. It is on the floor until my bed frame comes. I actually like it on the floor. The floor is done. There's a sock. My desk is all dusted and organized. Here. My dresser is going to go here. Not sure where my jewelry box is going yet. Box of holiday stuff. Still need to find a place for that, but for now it's just gonna go here. Psst. Hey! They are so wacky since everything's going on. And my bookshelf, I dusted it all. My clothes are still all in the bathroom. It's scary. So this is where, oh, this stupid thing didn't get thrown out. So this is where we are today. Floor is done. I'm not gonna put the rug down. So the bed, the dresser, the rug. And I am exhausted. So tired. My legs just like feel like they're gonna collapse. Yeah. dresser is done. I'm gonna put a mirror right here. Clothes are put in. I just have this drawer that is empty, and I'm actually really glad I have extra space. Maybe I'll put my sweatpants in, or yeah, maybe I'll put my sweatpants in and future leggings, because this drawer, I have a lot of leggings, and that drawer is gonna be full. So here's it looking. Thank you so much for being here. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about the bed is put together. And I got drawers for days. They're big. The detectives have to inspect the bed. What do you guys think? So, this is the mirror I got for my room. I'm gonna put it over the dresser right there. Oh, wait. Yeah. The rug is down. Final finishing piece. You guys, my room is ready. It is done. I am so excited to show you guys. Woohoo! I think this is 2 weeks later from when I filmed the video, or a week and a half. But yeah.